juicy baked chicken breast with apple cider vinegar sauce. These are the ingredients: ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 garlic clove, 1-inch piece of ginger root, some thyme, 1 10-gram package of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, 2½ tablespoon of oil, ½ teaspoon of browning for coloring, ½ teaspoon of Eve chicken seasoning. And 2½ pounds of chicken breast, bone in, skin on. Let's get started. In a small bowl, combine the oil, black pepper, Eve seasoning, the Maggi seasoning, the thyme leaves, the grated garlic, grated ginger, and the browning. Mix together. Season the chicken with the mixture. Just go ahead and rub it in with your hands. Wash your hands well with soap water, then cover the meat and refrigerate up to 3 hours or overnight to allow the season to soak into the meat. Remove the meat from the fridge and place skin side up onto a grease baking tray. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 60 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and the juices run clear. Let's make the sauce. For the sauce ingredients, we're going to need 1 crushed garlic clove, some thyme, scallion, ½ cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, ½ cup of water, and 1 1/4 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Combine all the sauce ingredients together except the cornstarch mixture into a small saucepan. Place over medium-high heat. Bring to boil, lower to simmer for 6 minutes. Then mix in the cornstarch mixture. Bring to boil and allow to thicken. Remove from the heat, remove the herbs from the sauce, and set aside until ready to use. Remove the breast from the oven and allow to rest for 10 minutes before carving. Serve with the sauce and garnish with some thyme. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes.